If you think all synthetic oils protect your engine the same way, you could be slowly destroying your engine without even knowing it. Because after analyzing wear reports, turbo heat testing, and real mechanic teardown data, one oil shocked everyone by outperforming brands most drivers blindly trust. And the craziest part, almost nobody expects the number one spot to go to this company. Today, we're ranking the best synthetic oils for engine longevity, turbo protection, heat resistance, cold starts, and long-term reliability. If you want your engine to survive 200,000, 300,000, even 500,000 miles, this list matters more than most drivers realize. Number 1. Castrol Edge Full Synthetic. Castrol Edge is everywhere, and honestly, for normal daily driving it does a respectable job. Cold starts are smooth where protection is decent and it's easy to find almost anywhere. But once engines get seriously hot, especially turbocharged engines, the weaknesses begin showing up. During extended heat testing, oxidation increased faster than premium oils and varnish buildup started appearing sooner than expected. That doesn't mean it's bad. It just means there are stronger oils for modern high-stress engines. For commuting and average driving, it works fine. But under heavy load, long highway runs, or aggressive driving, it starts falling behind the top competitors. Number 2. Valvoline Extended Protection. Valvoline keeps surprising mechanics because it performs far better than most people expect for the price. Viscosity stayed stable during testing, where metals remain low, and overall protection was extremely consistent. That consistency matters because modern engines punish oils with constant heat cycling and stop-and-go driving. The downside is that under extreme RPM and severe turbo heat, it loses some film strength compared to the elite oils higher on this list. Still, for regular drivers who change oil on time, this is one of the safest choices on the market. Reliable, predictable, and much stronger than many people realize. Number 3. Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic. Pennzoil Platinum is different because it's made using natural gas instead of crude oil through Shell's GTL process. That gives it an incredibly pure base oil, and the results show up inside the engine. Sludge stayed extremely low, oxidation remained controlled, and turbo bearings looked impressively clean after long testing cycles. This oil is especially good for direct injection engines that tend to suffer from carbon buildup. The only reason it doesn't rank higher is because under brutal high-temperature testing, it couldn't quite match the stability of the premium ester-based oils. But for everyday turbocharged vehicles, this is still one of the cleanest oils money can buy. Number 4. Mobil 1 Extended Performance. This is where things start getting serious. Mobil 1 Extended Performance was built for long drain intervals, modern turbo engines, and extreme heat conditions. In testing, viscosity retention was excellent, volatility stayed low, and where protection remained very strong even after extended mileage. This oil performs especially well for drivers who rack up highway miles or only change oil once or twice a year. But despite all its strengths, it still didn't dominate the extreme torture testing the way the top oils did. It's excellent, just not unbeatable. Still, there's a reason so many mechanics trust it for long-term reliability. Number 5. Royal Purple HPS. Royal Purple has a cult following for one reason. Engines genuinely feel smoother on it. During testing where metals stayed extremely low, film strength remained impressive at high RPM and turbo protection was outstanding. This oil is clearly designed for performance-focused drivers and modified engines, but there are trade-offs. It's expensive, harder to find, and not always ideal for mixing with other oils. Still, if you drive aggressively or own a high-performance turbo car, Royal Purple absolutely earns its reputation. This is one of the strongest enthusiast oils available today. Number 6. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum. Now we're entering elite territory. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum delivered some of the cleanest internal engine results we saw in testing. Sludge was nearly non-existent, varnish buildup stayed incredibly low, where control was excellent, and turbocharger protection was surprisingly strong for a GTL-based oil. This oil shines in modern turbocharged direct injection engines where cleanliness is critical. Its only weakness is that under extreme heat, it still couldn't fully match the top ester-based competitors. But overall, this is one of the best all-around oils for keeping engines internally clean over very long mileage. Number 7. Model 80-100 XS Gen 2. Model is one of those oils mechanics and tuners quietly respect because the performance speaks for itself. This oil uses ester-based synthetic technology that naturally bonds to metal surfaces, giving incredible protection during cold starts and extreme turbo heat. In testing, where numbers were outstanding, foaming was almost non-existent, and viscosity barely moved even under punishment. This is the kind of oil serious enthusiasts run in BMWs, Audis, tuned turbo cars, and high-performance engines. The only downside is price and availability. But in terms of protection, Model proved why it's considered one of the best premium oils in the world. Number 8. Liqui Moly Leichtlauf Hi-Tech 5W40. This was the biggest surprise of the entire test. While most people expected Mobil 1, Royal Purple, or Amstel to dominate, Liqui Moly quietly outperformed nearly every competitor across real-world testing. Heat resistance was phenomenal. Turbo protection was exceptional, where metals stayed incredibly low. Even after brutal high-temperature runs, engine internals remained remarkably clean with almost no sludge or varnish formation. But the real shock came during cold start testing, where its oil film protection outperformed almost everything else. Mechanics consistently described engines running smoother, quieter, and cleaner over long mileage intervals. Expensive? Yes. But when it comes to protecting modern turbocharged engines under real stress, Liqui Moly earned the #1 spot for a reason. Your oil choice matters far more than most drivers realize. Modern engines are brutally demanding, and the wrong oil slowly creates where you may never notice until expensive failures begin appearing. If you drive a turbocharged engine, a direct injection engine, or plan on keeping your vehicle for the long haul, upgrading your oil might be one of the smartest investments you can make for long-term reliability.